Downstairs, my neighbor is having the renovation work, and I saw this doorbell, very attractive, blue, blinking, and then I was after my husband's life. I need the Qubo bell. Anyhow, I need to install it.
My son absolutely loves showing off a new doorbell that we have. Every time the bell rings, you know exactly who it is. You don't even have to go to the door to see who it is.
We could see, we can watch, we can talk. We can just do it from the comfort of our chairs. We can do it from the comfort of our bed.
When I'm not home, I know that I can always have an eye on my house, right? I know who's coming. I know who is going.
From safety point of view, I think video doorbell acts like a CCTV camera.
The installation process was very easy.
So there will be no, tearing off your walls and something of that sort.
With the installation of these devices, it had made the life so much easier. I think it had been such a boon.
Morning at least मेरे दूध के पैकेट चोरी होने बंद हो गए. That is the plus point.